before. Time, goodbye, or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look in the signs. Divide the 8 by the 2. The quotient's 4. You're almost through. Finally, time to add or subtract. Good answer, that's a fact. Parentheses first, exponents next. Multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction. Yes and no, from left to right. First come, first serve.
As you heard in the video today, we are going to learn about order of operations. Order of operations tells us how we work out math problems using a specific order. To begin, we are going to talk about the definition of order of operations. The definition states that order of operations is a set of rules. It tells you the order in which to compute so everyone gets the same answer. To summarize, order of operations is a specific way you solve math problems. To learn the specific way we solve these math problems, we are going to fill out a syllable and later go in our interactive notebook. To begin, everyone please write a P on the top tab. The P stands for parentheses. Once you open the tab, write parentheses. When working order of operations problems, the first thing you complete is everything inside the parentheses. The second step is that you complete the exponents. So I want you to write an E on the second tab. Once you open up the tab, you are to write exponents. The exponent is the second thing you complete while working an order of operation problem. Next, on the third tab, I want you to write an M and a D. The M and D stand for multiplication and division. After you work parentheses, exponents, you then complete all the multiplication and division problems within the larger mathematical problem. The last step is adding and subtraction. So now I want you to put an A and an S on the fourth tab. Open up the tab and write addition and subtraction. The fourth step is adding and subtracting within your math problem. On the last tab, I want you to write an L with an arrow and an R. This helps us remember that we work math problems from left to right. Remember, it is important when we're working order of operations problems that we work from left to right. We are now going to place our foldable onto our interactive notebook. Once we have all done this, I'm going to teach you a saying that will help us remember how to solve problems using order of operations. Next to the P, write please. Next to the E, write E, excuse. Next to the M and the D, write my dear. And next to the A and the S, write Aunt Sally. And then where it says work from left to right, just jot down just like reading a book. This saying writes, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The please stands for parentheses, E, exponents, my dear, multiplication and division, Aunt Sally, addition and subtraction. And remember we work math problems from left to right, just like we're reading a book. Now, it's very important to remember that you work from left to right, just like you're reading a book. Now let's practice.